Hi, I'm Chelsea Marie. Welcome to XO Chelsea Marie.
Turning this blank wall into my dream gallery wall. Let's go. First stop, HomeGoods. Searching around, I am looking for photo frames. That is the main thing, and a circular mirror to kind of make the focal point on my wall. I asked ChatGPT to create my mood board, and these are my HomeGood picks to create that perfect gallery wall straight from my mood board. This is before, plain and boring. All right, now let's grab all the pieces and let's hang it all up. I'm just loving how everything is coming together already. I went to Etsy and got some photographs that I felt like spoke to me, along with some of my other photographs that I already had. And I went to Walgreens and I got them printed. I moved some plants around to kind of fill in that little space. I do need to get one more photo frame, but this is a finished look. What do you think? I love my lighting. I love that every photo is a conversation piece. What do you think about my gallery wall? Leave your comments below and make sure to subscribe.